Hello everyone, this is Devrajra. Now I will show you how to create a free storage account in Azure. Let's go our Azure portal. Here is my Azure portal. This is my future university account. Let's find free services. Free services. Azure block storage growth. Azure Storage 16. It's created. Let's go to the resource. Then we have to go the we can browse our storage blob container. First of all, we need to create a container like then files lowercase. Here you can see the anonymous access level is disabled. No matter create. Here is our container. Let's create a directory. My picture. Okay, and let's upload something. Let's browse and here is some picture and open. Uploaded successfully. Let's access this, and here you can see the You can change their access level to anyone else. Anyone else access these containers being locked because anyone else access is disabled for the stress account. So even we want to be accessed, there will be not possible. I need to share the error code or what is it says. Actually, this is the error page. Not actually error page. You cannot access this file. It's disabled and there is or we need to see our credential. Okay. Security access key. We need to see our storage account name and keys. And here is also a connection history. Uh, but key is the first and important things to connect. Let's copy the and paste it here. And key copy. Now I will use these keys for my this project and I will replace this key. And Azure Storage Content is default or whatever you can define here. This is not mandatory. And this is the code part. Uh, then you can access your system environment. Then create a blob client, the blob service client, then container client. If my container is not ready, then create. Then this function will and this section will create my container and try to uh, upload my files. And the file should here is file my here is the file to upload is my profile picture and then it will get the upload string and here I can store it. Let's start and debug it here. I need to debug it here and here. Let's this is my option. Here is profile picture. Edit this file to be uploaded. I can upload this picture. Upload. Update my profile picture. It's already uh, created this and set and upload it and I will show the connection string. Now this is one hot string. I need to uh, re build the file is created. It's actually not working. Rebuild and apply changes. Let's create this way. Actually, I want to trying to see you what is the exception error. It's going to school profile. Yes, my profile picture is uploaded, and this is the error because the anonymous access is enabled. That's why and open it. Yes, and here is the error code. I want to try to see you guys. So, how can enable our this section and let's go to the um, container. Here you can see profile picture is automatically created, and here is the files, two files, and access level are not able to change. So we need to change our configuration. The present configuration is here. Allow prop change anonymous access. We need to enable and save it here. Then go again to our storage container and we can enable access. And you can see we can change our anonymous access and save it. After that we can see our this profile picture. You can see our profile picture. Actually it's downloaded. I am not going to this. I want to show you. Here you can see our profile picture. Let's upload the result. Here you can see this. Thank you everyone. If you get a benefit of this video or you have learned something, follow and subscribe. Thank you.